I don't like it. uh... Got the hiccups. Feels bad, dude. I'm dead now. Fuck, this is so annoying. I'ma hold my breath, okay? Alright, that didn't work. Alright, cool. That, like, literally just fucking didn't work at all. Do a handstand and drink some water? I don't know. Does that work? Answer what? Oh. 100% of the time? I don't know how to do a handstand. I haven't done a handstand in years. I like that. This is cool. Wait, no, we can all talk. It'll be fun. Hello?
You look good.
Hi.
I just joined like 3 minutes ago. Yeah. I was like, is this where the party's at?
You use a wall? I don't know what that means.
What?
What does you use a wall?
I use a wall.
I don't understand.
Oh, you use
Oh!
Okay.
That wall.
Turn your cam off, see if you can do it. Don't hurt yourself.
Will it work?
Go to BRB screen and try to do a handstand.
I have to do a handstand and drink water. Right?
Oh, you're gonna make a mess. Don't do that.
That's how you get rid of hiccups. You gotta drink a water while you're in a handstand.
Maddie, do you want water all over yourself?
Do I?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, then go try.
No.
If you lay on your bed with your head hanging off upside down.
That might work.
Oh my god, you're gonna make such a fucking mess.
I've done it before.
Wait, actually? So you like to get rid of hiccups?
Uh-huh. I did it one time successfully.
So you like hang your head over the bed?
Yeah, but you I kind of slid down a little bit.
Okay, I guess I can try.
Go to BRB screen, please.
It's gonna be a disaster.
No. It must be.
Wait,
It must be on stream. These hiccups are annoying.
I feel like she's gonna fall, dude. It's gonna be like, it's gonna be terrible.
Oh gosh.
It
Seriously.
worked.
It's just water.
Yeah. Have fun.
Getting
You're gonna have
scared.
You're gonna have water all up your nose and everything.
Maybe I'll just suffer with them. The hiccups.
Yeah.
If you hold your breath though, like if you got no water, it usually takes like a good 5 or 6 tries. Like of holding your breath, like it doesn't work on the first try.
Well, after you hiccup multiple times, it doesn't work as easy.
I mean,
I don't know about you guys, I just never hiccup. How about that?
I hiccup a lot.
It's for me. Secret.
they have a badass over here.
Exactly.
Am I hiccuping because I'm drunk?
Yes.
Why does that happen?
It's just how you are.
High magnification.
Every time.
It's not my fault. It's hard not to
Shit is-
hiccup. It hurts.
I'm gonna send you guys both to Snapchat here in a minute. Hold on.
No, I don't play Magic the Gathering very much.
Oh, we could play a game.
You hiccup a lot. It's not my fault.
Wait, Terry, are you there?
It's hard not to hiccup. It really hurts, actually. I don't have. Fuck you, Alec. I don't ever have my tits out on stream. That's not allowed, dude.
Wait.
Fuck you, buddy. Base Nectar is fucking awesome. Fuck. I can't stop it. How was EDC? It was good, except for that it went too late and I missed a lot of people that I wanted to see because I couldn't stay up. I couldn't stay up, dude. I get too tired. Like, I'm tired already and it's 8 o'clock. Like, I literally can't stay up. I'm just fucking tired all the time.
Good.
Here you guys.
Sleep early.
It's really sad. Sent what?
I sent you guys a Snapchat.
Yeah.
Why
Go
you guys?
for it.
Are you guys bullying me on Snapchat?
I'm bullying myself. Actually, this is like self-torture. It tastes so bad.
What is that?
It's a cracker and whiskey.
Ew! Why would you do that?
Because I don't have any nuggets, okay?
That's so gross. Why the fuck did you do that?
Because it's honey flavored whiskey and I thought it would taste good.
Ew!
It's gross. It soaks up the alcohol so much and it tastes like it has a bite to it.
Damn, can stay up, such a noodle. What do you mean? Don't call me noodle. Hello, Danny. I really like
Yeah,
this.
Drink your water. Chug it.
Should I drink more?
Water.
How much has Jinx had?
We don't know because she mixed the drink. So
I mixed a lot.
Yeah, I mean, I know that.
I'm really drunk. It's not my fault, okay? It was an accident. I didn't mean to get this drunk. Ow, my ear hurts.
It's like you've had 8 vodka, like, sodas. It seems like.
I'm like real drunk, dude. Just tell me when to end the stream, alright, guys? I'm gonna drink more. Just tell me when to end it.